today we will perform and study about the RL parallel circuit. So we will measure the voltage, current, power in the RL parallel circuit. So first of all we will go to study and look out at the circuit diagram. So this is the circuit diagram of the RL parallel circuit. First of all, this circuit consists of an input supply through auto transformer. Auto transformer is a device which regulates the input voltage, and the voltage which is supplied to the RL parallel circuit, an RL parallel circuit combination has been shown as here. Now the total power and total current existing in the circuit should be measured. So we have connected ammeter in series of parallel circuit to measure the main current, and wattmeter is connected ahead of the parallel circuit to measure the total power. Now input voltage applied across the RL parallel circuit should also be measured, so it has been connected at the output of the auto transformer, which will measure the input voltage. So we will take the following readings as downward mentioned. So first, input voltage after the auto transformer, that is Vs, main current I, which will be measured by this ammeter, second power, which will be measured by the wattmeter, and thereby there are parallel circuit of or in the form of RL. So R and L are connected in two different branches. So we need to measure the both branch current separately. So there has been connected one ammeter in the resistor to measure the IR current through the resistor. There has been connected second ammeter in the series of inductor to measure the current through the inductor. So there are two reading as IR and IL. સૌથી પહેલાં જેવી રીતે મેં તમને સમજાયું કે આપણે RL પેરેલલ સર્કિટમાં સૌથી પહેલાં આપણે ઓટો ટ્રાન્સફોર્મર યુઝ કર્યું છે. તો ઓટો ટ્રાન્સફોર્મર હેઝ બીન પ્લેસ્ડ હિયર. આ ઓટો ટ્રાન્સફોર્મરનું એક આઉટપુટ ટર્મિનલ और एक टर्मिनल एम मीटर ने कनेक्ट કર્યું છે જે અહીંયા શો કરે છે. એમ મીટરનું સેકન્ડ ટર્મિનલ ક્યાં જાય છે? એલસી और એમસી શોર્ટિંગ પોઈન્ટ ઉપર. તો વોટમીટરના એમસી શોર્ટિંગ પોઈન્ટ ઉપર આ સપ્લાય આપવામાં આવ્યો. વોટમીટરનું સેકન્ડ એન્ડ આરએલ કનેક્શનને આપવામાં આવ્યું છે. તો વોટમીટરનું જે સેકન્ડ એન્ડ છે એક પોઈન્ટ નીકળીને ડાયરેક્ટલી ઇટ ગોઝ ટુ ધ એમ મીટર. Second point goes to the second ammeter. So one ammeter is connected with the resistance. So this ammeter is connected in series with this resistor, and second ammeter is connected with the connected in series with inductor. So this ammeter is connected in series with ammeter, and both resistor and inductor are shorted at this common point, and its a neutral is brought back to the ऑटो ट्रांसफॉर्मर में आ न्यूट्रल पाछो लई आव्या छे. तो आ छे तमारो बेसिक सर्किट डायग्राम नो कनेक्शंस, एंड वी विल गो टू टेक द रीडिंग्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस. सो आई विल शो यू हाउ डज मीटर डिफ्लेक्ट proportional to the supply given across the RL circuit. So what are the values of reading? We will see step by step, and I will give you the whole reading measured by us. So first of all we will check the input voltage. What is the value of input voltage across the RL circuit? So I will connect this point and increase the voltage to 40. There is a 40 volt. There is a 40 volt shown in the meter. Okay, means 40 voltage is applied across the RL circuit. So this will show the reading of main ammeter. Main ammeter means this meter will show the total current of circuit, which is 4.35 ampere approximately. Then this wattmeter shows the reading around 48 watt multiplied by 4, means it's a multiplying factor is 4. 48 multiplied by 4, so it will give you the reading of in wattage. Next is IR resistance, means IR current through the resistance, which shows the current about 2.4 ampere. Next, the current in the RL inductive circuit, which shows 3.65 ampere. By this way, we can measure the current and voltage and power in complete RL parallel circuit. Thank you.